In this video, I will show you how to add custom CSS for a specific page and all the Elementor-activated pages. Make sure that you have an Elementor Pro since you would not be able to do any of the steps later on in this tutorial. If you have the free version, you can add a CSS on the additional CSS in WordPress by going to Appearance, Customize, then the Additional CSS tab. Now, let's get started. Create or open an Elementor-enabled page. If you want to add a CSS that is only for this page, click on the gear settings icon in the bottom left corner. Go to the Advanced tab and add your custom CSS. Finally, if you want to add CSS to all your Elementor pages, click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner. Click on Site Settings. Select Custom CSS. The CSS styles that you add here will only be activated on your Elementor activated pages.